Pepperland videos.
What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to test a starter. You don't have to bring it to an auto parts store or anything to have it tested. If you can pull it off, I mean, it can even be done while it's on a bike or in a car, if you can get to it. In this case, I have the starter already pulled. It's for a motorcycle, but this applies to trucks or any automotive starter out there. It's very, very straightforward. All you need is a pair of jumper cables. Of course, you're going to want to hook up negative, negative, positive, positive from a good battery. Got a little tester here, shows the battery is good. Now, what you want to do with the starter, black is going to be ground, so you want to ground out the black. You can really put it anywhere you want. Just ground it out to somewhere. I'm going to go right there. Now, you just take the positive, and in my case, these starters are pretty torquey, so I'm just going to put my foot on it, and then you just hook it up to the positive lead. There you go. It's a good starter.